Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and I got a brand new product from Traxxas today. It's the TRX4M, the High Trail. It's the Chevy square body style. This thing looks really cool. Can't wait to get it out of the box and test it here at 997 Raceway. So before we take the truck out of the box, I know you guys want to know what color's available for this truck. On the front, we have the red truck. On the other side, we have the blue truck. And on the side of the box, we got a white dot in front of the black truck, and that says Special Edition, so that's probably what's inside this box. Let's get it out of the box, check it out. Truck's packed really nice, got plastic over the black truck sitting down inside the styrofoam here with the transmitter. We'll see what else is in here. Pull the transmitter out. Got a little box here. That is the 20C 7.4 volt 2-cell LiPo battery. And we have the USB charger. And with your truck, you will get the Traxxas quick start guide. On the other side of the booklet, you will see a lug wrench, Allen wrenches, some extra parts, and it even comes with a drop-down hitch for your trailer. Truck will come RTR, that stands for ready to run. It comes with the Traxxas ID2S LiPo USB charger. On the other end of the charger, it does have the Traxxas proprietary plug. That'll plug right into the 750 milliamp hour 2S LiPo battery, and it'll take about an hour to charge. So while it's charging, you will see a red and green light blink, and when it's fully charged, the light will turn to a solid green light. The truck will come with a very easy to use TQ top qualifier Traxxas transmitter. You have a steering wheel, throttle control, trim knob. At the bottom of the transmitter, you have a battery door. Slide that over and install the 4 AA batteries. Guys, it's absolutely killing me to have to pull the plastic off this truck because it is a special edition truck. It's one of my favorite trucks. I love the square body style. I love the color black here. This thing is just awesome, but Traxxas did send me this truck to show you guys, so we're going to pull the plastic off and send it out here on the course. I don't want to do it, but this is really one that I would like to have for a shelf queen. So I know you guys not only run these things, but you also collect them, especially with it being an official licensed product. This is so nice. Look at the detail up front, the yellow and the Chevy emblem there, the chrome bumper, USA1. Oh, this looks so awesome. I love it. A lot of detail for this small truck. Even has the trim along the side of the truck, windshield wipers, mirrors, door handles, that chrome roll bar. With the High Trail, you do get the bigger tires and the lifted chassis. It does stand a lot taller than the other truck, and I'm going to show you that. So today I brought the TRX4M Bronco to set alongside the new TRX4M High Trail, and you guys can see the difference looking at it from the side. Turn it to the front like this here, and looking at them both from the front, you can see the difference between the regular TRX4M versus the TRX4M High Trail. Something we asked for time and time again, and they finally did it. We have clear windows on this truck, and that really makes it look good. Yes, you can see down inside and see the motor and the wires, but I'd rather have clear windows. How can you see out the truck if you don't have clear windows? And it just really adds to the detail of this truck. And the truck already has headlights, and they're already wired with the LED lights. I was looking for the body clips, and I just noticed that it doesn't have any, and that just makes it even that much more real. Look underneath, and we have the clipless body mounting system. Pop the tabs on it. Oh, isn't that sweet? The body comes right off, and you can see what the clips look like, and you can see what the wiring looks like for the LED lights. The chassis is very real looking. It is a metal chassis. It has plastic bumpers on the front and rear. You have an 87 turn brushed motor. Right behind that is the transmission. Then the ESC up on the front. You do have the steering servo mounted right on the front axle. In the center of the truck, you do have a rubber strap. Install your LiPo battery right there. Connect the strap. Plug your battery right into the ESC. And if we flip over the chassis, you can see the drag links, the plastic rear, the differentials. The rear on this truck, on the front and rear, is a straight axle. It's not a portal axle. The shocks have a lot of travel. They are plastic with metal springs. The tires feel very soft. It feels like there's air inside the tires. There's no foam inside the tires. And the rims feel plastic. Okay, we got our transmitter turned on. We're ready to plug in the truck. Install the battery. And you're going to plug it in right back here. Looks like a little T. And as soon as you plug it in, it gives power to the truck instantly. We'll check our steering. Steering looks good. And we got throttle. All right, next we'll plug in our LED lights. After you plug in the LED lights, you can just set the body right down into place. Clips right onto the chassis just like that. Doesn't get any easier. Got the truck all ready. Now let's hit the course. All right, now we got this new feature here at 997 Raceway. We've got Ryan. He's going to run this tough truck course here for the smaller trucks. Got the TRX4M right here. Go ahead, Ryan, let it rip. It's like a mini monster truck, tough truck course. Chevy pickup looks great going around here. So I had a great time here today at the 997 Raceway here in Waynesboro, Pennsylvania. The Traxxas TRX4M High Trail is awesome. Get yourself one. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget you can join my Facebook group. That's the Ovalrc. I'm Mark. We'll see you next time.